Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you how to format a drive in Windows 10 quickly and safely, so you can manage your storage efficiently. Step 1. Press Windows plus X on your keyboard and select Disk Management from the menu. This opens the tool that shows all the drives connected to your computer, which is essential for managing or formatting any drive. Step 2. In Disk Management, look for the drive you want to format. Make sure you select the correct drive, as formatting will erase all the data on it, so double-check before proceeding. Step 3. Right-click on the drive and choose Format. This option allows you to prepare the drive for new data by clearing out existing files and setting it up with a specific file system. Step 4. Enter a name for the drive and select a file system, like NTFS. Giving a name helps you identify the drive easily, and choosing the correct file system ensures compatibility with Windows and other programs. Step 5. Click OK to start the formatting process and wait for it to finish. Once completed, your drive is ready for use, completely clean and properly configured for storing new files. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.